India's logistics sector employs over 22 million people. Hello and namaste. In today's Logi Leads, we explore how the logistics sector in India is one of the highest job-creating industries. Did you know it contributes 14% approximately to the nation's GDP? The sector handles 4.6 billion tons of cargo, worth over $2 trillion. The Indian logistics market is expected to grow at a compounded annual growth rate of 10 to 12%. India aims to become the third largest economy, worth $12 trillion by 2030. From the smallest packages to the largest shipments, it is connecting towns, cities, and the remotest villages. Beyond transportation, logistics involves human effort, warehousing, supply chain, technology, planning, and much more. From having ranked 54th place in 2014 in the World Bank's Logistics Performance Index, by 2023, India has already positioned itself in the 38th ranking. Behind every parcel, there is a story of hard work. From the truck driver clocking miles to the warehousing staff ensuring timely dispatch, from the tech experts to ensure the delivery routes are optimized, to many more individuals ensuring all the minor other details are taken care of. India's logistics sector contributes to 35% of exports, making it a key player in global trade. Ensuring the seamlessness in global trade, solidifying India's presence on the global stage. While the industry faces many challenges like rising demand and infrastructure gap, there is also hope around AI innovations, automations, and government initiatives. All this collectively aims to drive progress and growth. With over 22 million Indians employed in this industry, logistics is not just a career, it is a platform for dreams. It is a symbol of how hard work moves the nation forward. So the next time you receive a package or see a delivery truck go by, remember the 22 million people involved in getting this logistics to you. Let's appreciate the hands behind the wheels, the brains behind the operations, and the heart behind the industry. For more such stories on shipping, logistics, and maritime, remember to hit the subscribe button.